Hey everybody, thanks for tuning in to Auto Shepherd. Today we're going to talk a little bit about fuel pumps.
Alright, so what is a fuel pump and what does it do? Well, a fuel pump is a necessary part of the fuel system that delivers fuel from the tank to the engine via lines or hoses. The pressurized fuel is pumped into the engine where it's used for combustion. What's the difference between a mechanical and an electrical fuel pump? The key difference between a mechanical and an electrical fuel pump is, well, it's right there in the name. One operates on mechanical power. In most cases, it's an armature that is actuated by the rotation of a specifically designed camshaft lobe. This dictates the mechanical pump is located on the engine block. Conversely, an electric pump is driven by electric pulses and therefore can be mounted anywhere in the vehicle. Starting in the late 1980s, most vehicle manufacturers moved from mechanical pumps to electric pumps. Mechanical pumps were standard for carbureted platforms, while the electric pumps are better suited for fuel injection. Electric pumps come in two different varieties: in tank and in line. In line fuel pumps are mounted in the supply line near the fuel tank, while in tank pumps are directly mounted inside the fuel tank.
What wears out or fails on a fuel pump? Mechanical fuel pumps fail in a variety of reasons. The actuator rod can become bent and cease to make the necessary connection between the cam lobe and the pump diaphragm. Also, the diaphragm itself can be worn, resulting in a loss of fuel pressure. One of the most common reasons in prompting an electric fuel pump replacement is misdiagnosis. Some apparent fuel pump failures can be traced back to the fuel pump relay, which is susceptible to failure due to corrosion or simple wear over time. Generally, OEM fuel pumps last upwards of 100,000 miles, but for more demanding applications, such as a modified or race vehicle, the OEM fuel pump may prove inadequate and actually decrease performance before the fuel pump actually fails. Intake fuel pumps are particularly reliable due to the fact that they work independently from the engine and are also cooled by the fuel in the gas tank. Additionally, aftermarket fuel pumps can provide a broader capability with various fuels and mixtures. When operating a vehicle on higher alcohol mixtures, it's important to utilize a pump that is compatible with alcohol, which is potentially corrosive to the pump's internals. Most late model OEM type fuel pumps have the capability to safely run up to a 10% alcohol mixture.